Hi there, my name is Maeve, and today we are going to learn some Spanish verbs in the present tense. Not to worry, we will make it easy for ourselves. Are you ready? Let's start. And today's verb is to need. We are going to learn he needs, she needs. To need in Spanish means necesitar. He needs is necesita. She needs is necesita. It doesn't matter if it's he needs or she needs. In both occasions is necesita. And have you noticed we take the R from the main verb, necesitar. It loses the R. So we are going to do some sentences now. And the first sentence is, my auntie needs a hamburger. That means mi tía necesita, without the R, una hamburguesa. Let's continue. And the second sentence is, my uncle needs an ice cream. Which means, mi tío necesita un helado. And have you noticed? Again is necesita. We will continue with the verbs. Please write some comments below. What do you think about this lesson? Please give me a like and please subscribe if you haven't done so. I'll see you next time. Bye!